Hello, friends. Yours truly is a real estate agent, particularly catering house and lot at Camellia, Provence. We very well know that Filipinos of the Philippine Islands belong to Asian continents. Being born in the Philippines, although we are working on other continents, it's a wonderful feelings and happiness as well if at certain point in time you have your own real properties on the country where you were born. Think, one of the best assets you could have is your very own lot or house and lot. After high school, you are already the boss of yourself. So being the boss, you live independently. Practically speaking, when working abroad, you have at least double your earnings. So pair your income with the right investments. Your home, your house and lot is your own heaven on earth. So don't have any second thought. Invest, get the right move, for you only need these requirements to make yourself fulfilled and happy. How? Ready these documents: contract of employment, passport with entries, if you are a seaman, seaman's book, service record, proof of remittance for 6 months, bank statement for 6 months, pay slips for 6 months. If you are living abroad with your couple or with your spouse, have a special power of attorney from your trusted relative. Then I will give you your bank application right away for bank financing. Thank you and have a nice day. This is Clary Macapagal of the Philippines.